Hey y'all, San Francisco has a drop box for your voting, so you could just walk to the store one day and vote. Pretty cool, yeah. Damn it, I was crossing the street in San Francisco in Burlingame and got caught by the train. I ain't gonna record a whole train going by because you know that's gonna take forever, but okay, here it is. I can let y'all see it coming up now. All this unnecessary noise. Oh, it wasn't a long one. I guess I'm used to them damn Georgia take forever. Wow, it was like 3 cars. Alright, well I'm back on my stroll through San Francisco. San Francisco. No, that sounded like a Univision commercial. Alright, well I'm going through San Francisco. I'll show you a couple of things that I see. I'm gonna mainly just walk down Broadway. Thing about Broadway over here in San Francisco is you can't smoke on the street. There's no smoking at all. I mean, not like a person like me who's definitely quit smoking would have an issue with that. But yeah, you can't smoke on the street at all. You got to go to a different block. Alright, y'all, here is my room in San Francisco. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom with the light on. It's kind of nice, kind of typical. And now we go into the room. And it looks like I got a nice little view here. I got 2 queen-size beds, which is kind of useless because it's only me on this trip. And yeah, y'all, this is the inside. It looks like the outside, right?